Welcome to this video. Today we're going to review the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, and we're going to start by unboxing it. This is a refurbished DJI Phantom. This is the first DJI product I've owned, first Phantom, and so I'm kind of excited to open it up here and see what it's all about. So it comes in this nice styrofoam cast case, really solid seams, with a nice carry handle built in and a locking mechanism. So we're gonna go ahead and open the lid here and take a look at what's inside. And there she is, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. And we're gonna go ahead and pull it out of the box here. There's a few things different on the Phantom 4 Pro, I understand, from just the Phantom 4. The biggest improvements being in the camera, and then it also has its image sensing in the rear, as well as infrared on the sides, and the camera on each side as well to help with obstacle avoidance. Comes with a bigger battery, a 5,850 milliamp battery, instead of just the 5,350 milliamp battery. You can see here the sensors on the sides, of course, as the sensors on the bottom as well. And the camera on the DJI Phantom 4 Pro has a 1-inch sensor, which is a huge upgrade. Here's the controller. From what I can tell in other videos, like I said, guys, I've never owned one before, but this controller looks pretty standard. So far, I'm really pleased with the DJI product. I've flown this at the point of recording now, doing the voiceover. I've flown a few times. Great shots, great video, great responsiveness, great control. Really pleased with it, really pleased with the quality. Here's the propellers. They come in a nice little gray carry bag. You get two sets, and there's a gray propeller for those and a black propeller for those. Those go on opposite sides. They correspond. I'll show you on later in the video how to put those on. But let's see if we can't pull these out of the bag. Okay. Yeah, so you can see there's 8 of them there. That's really nice. Excellent. So we'll set those aside and then take a look at the box a little bit further. You've got your user manual, of course, in the front, and a nice little case. Has the abouts and the information there. Put it back inside there for now. And this is where you could carry 2 extra batteries. So it comes with 1. So you can carry a total of 3 batteries, 1 in the drone, and then 2 in the side there. This is the mini USB to female USB adapter, which is quite handy, especially in updating the drone. And then this is USB male to USB, mini USB male. It comes with those 2 cables inside the box with the drone. And of course it comes with the charging cable as well, both the AC adapter to the DC converter, as well as the DC converter to both the battery charging port as well as the remote control charging port. The batteries take about an hour and a half to charge fully, and the remote control takes 3 to 4 hours to charge fully. And the remote control, when you do plug it into an iPad or iPhone, it will charge, or more so from what I've noticed with the iPad, it just kind of keeps up with the draw on the battery. But with the iPhone, it will actually charge. So there's the case. Again, real solid. I like this drone a lot so far. I understand the motor mount to prop mounts are improved on this version. You just push down and then rotate propeller while holding the engine casing so it doesn't turn. And I've not had a problem. Like I said, I've flown a few times, not a lot. The image sensing, it does have to have pretty good light to be able to sense the forward in motion. I'll give you a little warning if it's too dark of an ambient temperature to be able to sense objects. But I have ordered a filter for the camera, a number 4 filter, to help with a little bit of blocking out some of the light, taking down some of the highlights. Interested in that. Another thing I've ordered for it is a hood for the iPad to keep it out of the direct sun. help me to be able to see it a little bit better. I've ordered a dedicated lightning port so I don't have to use so I can just keep it in the case instead of having to use my iPhone charger all the time or iPad charger. I'll probably eventually be getting some extra batteries for it, but this is a good start. Comes with a 16 gigabyte mini SD card, class 10, which is important to note. You'll need a converter, but that's 16 gigabytes, not real big. It takes up to 128 gigabyte, but that's real nice. So thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, signing off, take care.